Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the video. And Pepe holders are about to get in a coma right now. I know how you guys are feeling about the market going down, and all of a sudden you just don't feel happy anymore, isn't it? So if you're new, follow the channel. You may never see the channel again. I don't want you to lose this channel as I make Pepe updates every single day. Turn on the bells, notification and whatnot. So basically what we do in Adam Coin's channel is we make a video called the positives, okay? Because crypto is a balance between negative and positive, okay? Crypto is, overall, it's actually amazing if you understand what it is. But it's not so good for this to qualify as heaven. And it's also not so bad for this to qualify as hell. It's just somewhere in the middle. But still 90% of the people lose. But let's actually focus on the positive right now, okay? So I've bringing the scale, I've weighed in the weights, but why do we have to focus on the positive? Well, here it is. Number one, we've seen this head and shoulder coming down, target met, and everything. The positive about Pepe right now, did I say bonk? Even previously I was saying bonk all the time. Wait a moment. I'm just like that crazy teacher. Not really crazy, teachers are not crazy, but the thing is that sometimes, when teacher teach algebra for many years, and they just get confused. Sometimes they won't say x is equals to y and y is equals to z, but they're going to say x is equals to z is equals to y, which is pretty much the same thing. Even bonk and Pepe is the same thing. I mean, Pepe is equals to bonk, bonk is equals to Pepe, so x is equals to y is equals to x. I don't even know who X is, and I hate my X anyways. So let's just get back into Pepe. And the thing is that I'm going to bring in the trend line, and when I bring the trend line, you can see that the positive number one is that there is a trend line that is supporting Pepe big time. Okay, so anytime you consolidate in that area, you bounced off. You consolidated, you bounced off. And now you're coming down again, you may see the same result and continue to the upside. Now, God forbid you start to lose it. That's when it's not going to be positive anymore. Until now, until this very point of time, from wherever you're listening, even if it's Europe, America, whatever, yes, this is positive, right? The positive number one. Now, positive number two is you have a beautiful bullish divergence. Look at the prices coming sideways now, and the RSI moving up. This is what you want to see, okay? This is everything. This is what you want to see. When the prices are a little bit boring, but RSI is moving to the upside, you are given that at some point, yes, you're going to see a reaction. My personal take is that at least you're going to see Pepe coming up to 14,000 once again, if not any higher, but at least you do have the chances to come up here. 15,000 is the place where you pretty much are going to be hitting right now. All right, so the next thing is I want to give you a time estimate. I always like to do the time estimates. So the time estimated for the next move is going to be until 19th of June, because that's how the squeeze is happening. Previously, do you remember when I made the video when we had a squeeze right over here? Do you see this? We had this squeeze. So the positive was you took this thing, but it still went down, right? You went down. This was positive, but when you broke down, it actually wasn't anymore. And you had your time until 8th of June, right? That played out, and we talked about the next technical targets. This was pretty much met. Fast forward today, today's 14, I guess, and now you have this upper line and the lower trend line, which comes into clash until 19th of June. So let's say you repeat this very same thing again, which I highly doubt. I don't really think you're looking for another drop down. But if you do that, then it's going to be really bad. But I don't see that happening, okay? I may say 80% of the chance, or even 85% of the chances that we pop up and go back to the upside. So there are good chances if you break above here, you may just even go back to the all-time high. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.